So the miracle of what the Rebbe accomplished is that ordinary people like us really appreciate a neshama. It's so real to us. With other people, you say to them, you know the Pintele Yid? And they say, oh yeah, I heard about that. Oh, you heard about it? It's not real to them. They heard about it. To us, it's real. It's an amazing thing. And the more you do Mivtzoyim, the more real the neshama becomes. Because you almost get to see the neshama. So many times the Rebbe said about shlichus, you think that shlichus means you're going to go do other people a favor. Being on shlichus is the biggest favor to you. In other words, you gain more than the person you're being makar.
He's also gaining. How?
Because you get to see a neshama. The response that people have to the mitzvah, or to the mitzvah, their response gives you an actual picture. You actually see a neshama visibly in front of your eyes. So it becomes, godliness becomes real to you. And that's amazing. That's like bringing the Shekhinah down to earth. So there's no question that your own Yiddishkeit becomes so much more real as a result of the Mivtzoyim, of your going on Mivtzoyim. And what does it mean to make a dir b'tachtenim? It means that the lower world, the world that you see, should be visibly godly. Dir b'tachtenim, the tachtenim should start to look godly. And the first place where you see godliness, of course, is the neshama. But when do you get to see a neshama? When you see a Jew reacting to a mitzvah that he's never done before, and he was never raised with it, and he was never convinced, and doesn't even know why he's doing it, and yet he gets so excited. Where is that excitement coming from? Why is he crying? Why is she so emotional? That's the neshama coming out. So once you do Mivtzoyim, a Jewish neshama is no longer an idea, it's reality. I mean, you can't wait to see it again in somebody else. So one thing is for sure, going on Mivtzoyim is not Mesiras Nefesh. You're not giving up anything, you're gaining a lot. And maybe that's why the Rebbe wanted even people who are sitting and learning in yeshiva, take an hour out of yeshiva and go do Mivtzoyim. Not because it's an emergency, but because your whole yeshiva experience will be so much more real as a result of the Mivtzoyim. What you learn in a sefer, what you learn will be real to you because you saw the neshama of a Yid. So it's as important as anything you might read or learn in the classroom. Make sense? Yeah?